Please watch the video till end or else you may not understand the video. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
So hey hi, this is Supri and welcome to my channel. So today's video is about a basic rewind of all the GTA games and the basic GTA publishers, developers, designers, producers and etc. of the GTA series, all the games which were released in the GTA Grand Theft Auto. So I don't think so this video is going to be too boring. I'll make it interesting, try to make it interesting. So let's start the video. Okay, so the GTA games are meant for actions and adventure, open world games, action games and some crime games actually. So personally GTA is meant for Grand Theft Auto Vice City, and GTA games are meant for action, open world, crime, shooting. Also this is actually all-in-one packed games where you can find doing missions, car racings, and sometimes there are some very tough missions also where the professionals also can't pass. So this is all-in-one passed games where it is hard, easy, medium. Everything is consistent on GTA. The big sized games. Literally GTA 5 is 72 GB of setup. Literally 72 GB, and also we have to appreciate the graphics in the game. They're having 650 FPS, 120 FPS frames per second, like the very real, looks like real. In 2013 only they had got the #1 graphics in the market. And GTA is also meant for the world records, the best game. Literally for GTA Vice City there are many awards. I don't know them, but there are many awards. The most milestones and my personal best games are GTA Vice City, San Andreas and GTA. Now professional discussions. So whatever in GTA we are going to discuss now. So the developers of GTA, that's Rockstar Games, Rockstar North, Rockstar Leeds and Rockstar Toronto, and the final Rockstar Lincoln. Okay, so most of the people don't know the last three: Rockstar Leeds, Toronto, and what's that? Yeah, Lincoln. Okay, so the next one is the developers. I mean the editors and all those people who designed the GTA. Those are David Jones, Dan Houser, and Sam Houser. The last two people are, I think, siblings, but the first person, Dan Jones, was the most important person for GTA development. He has got the idea of GTA games and such ideas. Okay, so now we have to talk about the first game release versus the latest game of the GTA. The first game is Grand Theft Auto Vice 1, and that was released in 1997 October. And the latest game is GTA Online, and that was released on October 1st, 2013. So now we have to discuss about the GTA list of GTA games. Don't worry, there are no too many games. So GTA games, the first game is GTA 1, that was released in 1999, actually 1997, sorry. And the second is Grand Theft Auto London 1969, that was released in 1999. And the second, actually in Grand Theft Auto London there are two parts, the 1961 version and 1969 version. One is released in 1999 and second is in 1998. Okay, no confusions. And the next bit is Grand Theft Auto 2. That was a basic game, Grand Theft Auto 2, with a top view 2D view of a game, and that was released in 2000. And the third one is the revolutionary, no, not so, that is a new, with a new kind of 360-degree view, that is GTA 3, where people could actually, it was a 3D game. We could, I mean to say that we could run, we could walk, we could see the 360 degrees, and although that was a good game in fact. And okay, that was released in 2001, a good game. And next comes the GTA Vice City, that was released in 2002. And you know how popular, deadly popular, and many fans are there for that. Even I'm a one of the fan of GTA Vice City, and it was a 2002 game. And at that time games were okay to 1.5 GB, small games. Now GTA Vice City has become a measure to measure your PC. If this PC can run on GTA 5, okay, it's a medium good one. If you can't run GTA 5, it's a potato PC, leave it. And the next after Vice City, that's San Andreas. GTA San Andreas. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, released in 2004. Yeah, it's a nice game. The main person is CJ Carol Johnson, and I've played this game, but I never did any mission. I couldn't. They were hard bit. Okay, so the next thing is GTA Advance. This was not so popular game according to me, and that was released in 2004, same, and it's a 3D game just like GTA San Andreas. And after that, GTA Vice City Liberty City Stories. Yeah, it's a nice game, released in 2005, Liberty City Stories. And okay, and next is GTA Vice City Stories. Yeah, GTA Vice City Stories, released in 2006. And after that comes GTA Grand Theft Auto 4. This was a great game, also released in Xbox 360. GTA Vice City, this GTA 4 was like a 7 GB game, okay, but a very good graphics according to me. For a 7 GB game, it was a good game. That was released in 2008. HD, this was also 360 degree and a HD game. And next comes The Lost of Tonad, released in 2009. I think my pronunciation is not correct, please apologize. So that was HD game also, 2009 release. And next comes The Ballad of Gay Tony, the TBGT, also known as TBGT, The Ballad of Gay Tony, released in 2009 actually, HD game. And they all are okay. And after that, Grand Theft Auto Chinatown Wars. Here comes the latest, the most popular game, Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5. Yeah, literally 72 GB of setup, and also we minimum need i5 Intel 10th generation processor to run this bulky game. Yeah, even I tried in my computer, it was completely crashed. So it's not meant for low-end PCs like this. So okay, that was a very super successful game, we can call it, just like. And after it comes Grand Theft Auto Online. Yeah, it was a HD game. I don't know about this game actually, I never played it. That was released in 2013, and that was the end of GTA games. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. And the creator of GTA games is David Jones, as I have told you. Please remember that name, it's a very important name. And Q&A video is coming soon. If you liked it, as I have told you, please like the video and ask any complaints, questions, anything in the comment section. I'll answer it in the Q&A, or I may answer it directly in the comment section. I'll answer them surely. Thank you.